I was speeding as always, but what I didn't notice was that a cop was following me. I was speeding because I wanted to test the helmet of a friend. I can tell you that the helmet was approved after this ride. I noticed a car with red stripes coming up really fast. As the car came closer, I noticed that it was a police car. They didn't turn on their sirens or lights to try and sneak up on me, but I already was aware of their plan. Step 1. Be aware of the cop. There are 2 cars behind me at this point. Step 2. Create distance between you and the cop. This will set you up to lose them for good by using the secret strategy. Step 3. Zigzag strategy. So, what is the zigzag strategy? Small CC bikes will not outrun cops on the highway, but they are quick in the city and have better maneuverability than cars in the city. The zigzag strategy goes as follows. At the end of each crossing you go first left and on the next crossing you go right. This will help you to keep out of sight and lose the cops, because at each crossing they will have a 50-50 chance of making the right choice. If you are confident enough that you have time, you can go for step 4. Step 4. Hide your bike. Find a safe area to leave your bike, preferably on a place where a police car can't get to easily. Step 5. Leave your bike and leave no traces. If you can change your clothing, do it. They will be looking for you the first 30 minutes. Good luck and subscribe.